following an investigation led by President of the HYC Roy Kupar Sundram and members of the council on the 25th of April 2024, it was discovered that approximately 80 to 100 families have settled on land near the Fire and Emergency Services substation at Yodo in Shillong, which is reportedly under the jurisdiction of the Cantonment Board. Subsequently, on the 26th of April 2024, a meeting took place between the HYC members and officials of the Shillong Cantonment Board, during which a letter was submitted to the board's CEO requesting the removal of these illegal settlers from the area. Speaking to the media after the meeting, HYC President Roy Kupar Sundram revealed that the CEO of the Shillong Cantonment Board has advised the HYC to meet with the Defence Estate Officer or DEO at the headquarters in Guwahati, Assam, as the land in question falls under the DEO's authority. Sundram acknowledged accepting this advice and requested an official response from the Cantonment Board CEO to facilitate discussions with the relevant authorities in Guwahati.
नहीं मेरा तो वो येलो कलर का दो
ini adab le kaya ini nama nen ne nama nen ini dah sudah buat tu lah ot deh lop kata itu gitu
वो लोग घर में वो लोग अलग अलग का वो लोग अलग सब अलग अलग
tu lah ot ini pun buat nakaliang kajongi kum kasing hadin ba ngilawan jurip itu kajaka menen kasngi ngilalap ba kidon kibri di basyong basa bean itu kajaka bat ka kum ka jing sautu kajongi kani kajaka ka hak po Shillong Cantonment Board ti hadin kata ngilawan menda kasngi ban kendu yo CEO jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board haringkat ka jing tho bandawa na ka Shillong Cantonment Board bakade ban weng chisundon ni kini kibri na kani kajaka namar ba kat kum gajeng sothuk ka jongi kat kum gajeng tip ka jongi kini gibriu kila shusa bean itu kajaka klem kanu ka jingi obor na ka Shillong Cantonment Board di hadin mengilawan bani kendu yo CEO kai ka bana kaliang ka jo la pensya ka long ba hapok ka Shillong Cantonment Board kidon arlai tili kwe pat kibor ki bapet ya ki lengkot jaka hot ka hap hapok ka Shillong Cantonment Board ndre kadon ka jaka ka bapet di ki army kadon ka jaka ka bapet da ka Defence Estate Officer dio da ka DEO bat kata ka Defence Estate Officer ka office ka jong u ka don hapo Guwahati ti ula pentip ru yangi habai dei bakani ka jaka Defence Estate Officer kidon hapdeng ka jingele ya ka kes na ka bantaban be ikiti gibriu na ka jaka ti bantip company ya kata wong bangi hap ban lej lane bani kendu ya ka DEO office ka badon hapo Guwahati ti nakaliang jong kaseng khnang bakan long official ka jing tho ka jongi ya ka bangi ngi tho nakaliang ka jongi menta ka singa po Shillong Cantonment Board ngilaong ya ka yaw CEO bu devan penpai yang ngi da ka jing tho kenang bangi nakaliang ka jongi kan long official bukum juru bangin soto sya ka sinjam ka banang ni sakmat pat ka bangin ship te kata kalong ka jing ekren kumangi soto himenta kalong bay kani ka jaka katu ka plot kadai ka bapet da ka Defence Estate Officer ya ka ba office ka dona po Guwahati ba ka baar kalong ba kadon ka jing ele akis hapadeng ka Defence Estate Officer ba kiway pat gibriu ya ka ba nakaliang jong ka Defence Estate Officer kila IKS ban penmi no ik gibriu na ka jaka ya tik kat kum ka jing ong ka jo ong ba umtip ya ka status jong ta ka kes ha ela ya kumnu ka ya te ban ya tip khamta ya kata nakaliang jong ka seng hadin bangila yo ya ka jubab na CEO jong ka SMB jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board ngin salet pat ban ya kendu ya keyboard ki badai pet ya to ka jaka te kata ka de ka jing kendu ka jong ni ta ka si ya CEO jong ka Shillong Cantonment Board namarba kumangiong ba hajing siya kat kum kajing tip kajongi kadai ka kajaka ka bahap uslong kantinmen bot ngim tip bagi don sa kiwei pat kibor ki bapet ya kis lengkot jaka teknang ban ya sha ya kajing thok pamangi ai ka kantinmen bot kan reply yangi hae ngi de ban lek nang mangin yo ya kajing sha tingin up ya ka reply ka boyo na po kantinmen bot hadin katangin salet bani kendu ya tau di o lau don na po guati no don nang nu le singin sa penbet pat ya kasngi lan de ban ajing thok si kibor ban de pet
Patulah kular ni mana ayat kajing tua sih.
ulah kula ringi tanga po katukan ni sngiun sa ay ya ka reply ya ka siti ka bangi ayo.
Roy Kuparsundram expressed disappointment with the state government and its departments, including the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited or the MECL, for their apparent inaction in addressing the issue of illegal settlers. He emphasized that it was only after the HYC's inspection that the state government was prompted to take notice and respond to the situation.
Ngisngo ban pau ya kajing ai khuble ya kajing simkhya jong ki officer jong ke MECL ba marsan mi kajing wan jurip jong i menden kasngi mata kasngi kila simkam akaba kilawan man ot ya kalait jong kini giyeng ki ba laring tu lengba ki meter na ki wei pat ki yeng ki ba ke MECL ka island reha ka jo ka poru ngaso ban pau ya kajing songdiaw ba kibor sarkar la kalong ke MECL ne kinu ki boru ba kini ki bor sarkar ki kendit benriam tat onda bangi kum kaseng ngipen i ki jing duna ki ba maki akajaka kam dei shu ka kamram ka jongi bandang ong ki bandang kentu ki bakin le yala ka jong ka kamram regas basusi kalong batat onda ki seng bhalang lane tat onda ki rupat ba ki pen i ka jing duna ka jong ki kini ki beriu lane ki bor sarkar ki sim lane ki kendit thia kani kadi ke ka ba nakalyang jong kaseng ngimla ban priang iso ban kentu ba lomba kani ki jingja ka belajar menden ba menta ka singing so ban kentu ya ka MECL nang ni syakhman ba kumno kimla banyo i bade ki spa teli ki yeng ki pendon kam bakla lani ki tu ya ka boarding electric lembah kajing aja ka MECL hakajing tep ka jongi kini ki brium dei tang baki shu tawa lani ki shu ring lembah ki nakinu kini ki plug lani ki light ring bun ki ring hinda ki meter kajing keli ka long ba utau meter reader ubaka MECL ka pha man lau benai ben let pet lani ben shim jing ken ki bel light ki le ayu Nilayo urban ya keren badu SDO jong ka revenue badai pet ya kani jaka jong MECL nilabu jingkeli ya u ba baleng meter ridau jong pi umla ban pet bakini ki beri kiring tu lani ki highlight tu sengini ki jaka dan nakaliang ka jongi ngilapan power da ka basai ban kentu ya u ba udai ban simkam wat ikini ki meter ridau aman ngimte bayo lesi kini ki meter ridau lani ki lineman ki jong ka MECL ki don bentalang hak ban supply tu ya kalai neki don jing yo nong lembah kani kijing highlight ciki spa teli kilong yeng hang ni ngisngo ban kentu ke MECL bakadai ban conduct inquiry kani kijing ja khnang ban pensitom ladalap ladalong kilong yeng ki baitu ya kalai la kalong alignment la kalong yo meter ida ladalap bakile ki don bentalang hak ban aitu ya kalai ka MECL kadai ban simkam halor kini ki kibrik badon ti tenak leng jong kaseng so sesisian ban banjur ya ka MECL ba himdei ban kendet thia tat onda mangi ki pen i kijing duna lanen mangi ngilap ki kambean rekadai ka kamram jong pi ban tentik na ba ya ka bor light lane ka boarding de ban ai tang hidu ki bri ki basiu ka boarding namar baro ko wi jela kum kinong snong ni pendon kam ka boarding kat kum ka jing pendon kam ka jong ngisiu te kanom khiathan se ki basiu ki wei pat kin yo nong lane kin yo ya ka light kata ka long ka jing kentu na kalyang ka jong kum ka seng ya ka MECL